why TikTok isn't working for you. Part one, maybe you need to get better at posting in TikTok. You need to make more posts, post more videos, post better videos, post longer videos, uh, make more videos for TikTok. Just create more videos and just post more videos. That's all you can do. Drop videos and follow people back. Maybe you need to go to the search panel and type in follow back and follow back the accounts with less than 200 followers. You should try that. Follow back the accounts with less than 200 followers so they'll appreciate what you're doing and go out and like all their posts and comment on their posts. And just keep doing that to people with a low amount of followers. And they'll go back and do the same thing for you because they only have like 100, 200 followers. They're going to notice what you're doing. You're focusing on TikTok channels that are too big. Focus on the smaller channels and go and push yourself to the smaller channels, and you'll see some better results. Like I said, when you do follow for follow, make sure you do it to smaller channels. Don't follow a big channel because they're not going to notice you as well. They're not going to follow you back. So do it to smaller channels, and they'll notice you more.